Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel The Catalyst. We are going to start the numerical problem of the general entries. So first you have to understand the Gurman and Company started a business, correct? So Gurman and Company started a business with cash rupees 1 lakh. So before making the journal entries, you make the format. So this is the format. This is the format. Date, particulars, ledger value, amount, rupees, amount, rupees, debit, so Gurman and Company, Gurman started the business is 1 lakh. So I already discussed about the rules of debit and credit. Credit. Debit means either expenses or assets. Plus means increase, and credit means either income or liability. Plus, remember मैंने यह क्या बोला कि डेबिट में क्या आ सकता है, वो चाहे एक्सपेंसेस होगा एसेट्स होगा, लेकिन वो प्लस दिए यहाँ पे. प्लस मतलब बढ़ना, अगर इंक्रीज कर रहा है, अगर कोई भी ट्रांजेक्शन, इफ यू इन ट्रांजेक्शन, every transaction has two aspects. Just like the example, Gurman and Company started a business with cash. So cash is coming in the business. Cash. So here is the cash account debit to capital. How? So cash is increases in the business, or cash is the assets. So assets increases. Suppose that 1st April 23, cash account debit. Cash account debit to capital account. To capital account. How? Cash account debit to capital account? Because I already discussed about the debit means either expenses or assets. What? Plus means increase. So in business, what happened? What happening in the business? In the business, money is coming, cash is coming. So cash is increases, and cash is also real account. But cash is increases here. So debit means either expenses or assets. Plus. So if plus, then debit. So cash account debit. And capital is the liability, because Gurman and Company, and Gurman give to money to Gurman and Company. So to capital account, that is the capital account. So either income or liabilities. So cash assets is increases in this transaction. This transaction is two aspect. First one is that the assets is increases, and second one is that the liability is increases. It means capital account is credited. So if assets is increased, then debit. If liability is increases, then credit. So in this transaction, Gurman started business with cash. How much? 1 lakh. So what? Gurman started a business of rupees 1 lakh. So cash account debit to capital account. So you must to learn, must to understand. You have to understand. You must to understand these two lines. Debit means either expenses or assets, but condition is applicable. The plus. Plus means increase. Plus means increase, and credit means either income or liability. So liability, the same thing, increase. So if income is increase, credit, liability is increase, credit, but expenses is increase, debit, assets is increase, debit. So just you learn two lines, just you have to understand two lines. Debit means either expenses or assets, credit means either income or liability. Like a purchase office furniture in cash. Purchase office furniture in cash. So what will be the entry? Purchase office furniture in cash. So furniture account debit. Why? Furniture account debit. Why? Because in the business, furniture is assets and assets is an increase. So furniture account debit. Okay. Furniture account debit. Purchase furniture to cash. So cash is also assets, but cash decreases in the business because purchase furniture. So furniture purchase, so assets is increases in debit, and if decreases the vice versa. So you just remember कि debit means either expenses or assets. Condition only applied the increase plus. If decrease, so the reverse, the ulta. Furniture account debit to cash account. How much? Suppose 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, whatever. In this case, the 5,000 is given. So 5,000. Being purchase furniture for cash. Rupees 5. Suppose 4th April 20. Purchase goods in cash. Purchase goods in cash. So cash is decreases and purchase to purchase account debit. Purchase account debit to cash. How much? 23. Being purchase goods for cash. This is the narration. Suppose that 6th April 2023. Purchase goods from Hari and Company. Purchase goods from Hari and Company. So goods purchase but name is main. Purchase goods rupees. Purchase goods rupees 1 lakh. Purchase goods from Hari and Company. From Hari and Company. Purchase goods from Hari and Company. What will be entry? Purchase account debit to Hari and Company. Why? Because name is mentioned here. It means on credit. It means on credit. So entry will be purchase account debit. Purchase account debit to Hari and Company. Hari and Company. Hari and Company is a credit. One lakh. Now sold goods cash. Sold goods cash. Rupees 20,000. So cash is coming assets plus. So right now here cash account debit to sales account. Sales account. How much? 20,000. In addition, the cash sales. Date is 8/4/23. This is the chronological. This is the chronological order. This is the chronological order. Next one is that sold goes to Ramesh and Company. So again, sold goods to Ramesh and Company. Ramesh and Company, how much amount? To Ramesh and Company, how much? 75,000. 75,000. 75,000. So two aspects, sold goods to Ramesh and Company. So name is here, so it means sold goods to Ramesh and Company on credit. So write down Ramesh account debit. Ramesh account debit to sales. To sales account. 75,000. 75,000. Narration. Being goods sold on credit. Suppose that 10th. Next one is paid salary to staff in cash. Paid salary. So it means cash decreases here. So salary account debit. Salary account debit to cash account. 15. Salary account debit to cash account. Being narration. How much salary? Salary account debit to cash account. Much? 15,000. 15. paid electricity bill. How much electricity bill? 2000. 18,000. Electricity debit to cash account 2000.